The best places to live if you are stationed at Dahlgren. Bali with V-Star Real Estate. I help members of the military find the perfect home in Northern Virginia, and I'm familiar with the best places to live if you are stationed at Dahlgren. Dahlgren holds several military housing communities that serve all branches of the armed services and sometimes allows for houses and apartments in the vicinity to be available to rent. For those that prefer to purchase a home, options in the immediate area are limited. Dahlgren is set in a very small rural area, and there aren't many activities, education options, and retail choices as there are in the larger city within driving distance. The first is Fredericksburg. The city is a simple commute to and from Dahlgren and lies just 27 miles west. Fredericksburg is a great choice for those who wish to own their own home and have a nice departure from their area of work. Fredericksburg has a small town charm with plenty of history and culture and a lot of perks of living in a major metro area. The cost of living in Fredericksburg is lower than in many other cities in Northern Virginia. Home types range from historic homes with beautiful craftsmanship in walkable neighborhoods to a new construction townhomes and single-family homes in newer developments that are generally quite spacious with large yards. Plus, the quaint historic downtown area offers a number of popular restaurants, shops, museums, as well as galleries that highlight Fredericksburg's art scene. Fredericksburg and the surrounding areas contains many parks and nature preserves. For families with children, there is a great local school system and several private schools options to choose from. Another great place to look for a home is Stafford. Dahlgren is a 34-mile drive from Stafford, and most of the route is rural and serene. While it is less walkable and there are less activities and historic attractions than in Fredericksburg, Stafford is a very pleasant and quiet community. It doesn't have all of the hustle and bustle that some surrounding cities do. Most homes in Stafford are spacious with large yards, and some subdivisions have community centers with pools and fitness centers. There are multiple golf clubs and a host of outdoor activities like hiking and boating with a short drive. You'll find excellent dining options in Stafford and even 8 wineries with a 30-minute drive. Stafford is an excellent place to raise a family. The city has the largest school division in Virginia, and the schools are highly rated. Spotsylvania is another of the best places to live if you are stationed at Dahlgren. It is approximately 40 miles from Dahlgren. It is also less traffic than in Fredericksburg and Stafford areas. Many residents find Spotsylvania reasonable cost of living, natural beauty, and peaceful lifestyle worth the commute. You can get more home and acreage for your money in Spotsylvania. You can't live in Spotsylvania and not think about the area-rich history. The county has many historic attractions and even known as the crossroad of Civil War. Spotsylvania residents who enjoy spending time outdoors have endless opportunities to stay active. For example, Lake Anna provides an outlet for fishing, camping, sailing, water skiing, and it even has a swimming beach. Spotsylvania is a good choice for families. The Spotsylvania County School Division includes a career and technical center. There are also more than a dozen private schools to choose from. Living outside of Dahlgren gives you freedom of choice, the opportunity to build equity, and added privacy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a like and check out our channel for more videos on living in Northern Virginia. You can also visit our website to learn more about the amazing properties near Dahlgren. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Victoria Bali, and I'll see you around the town.